today's video, I'll be showing you on not only how to use the Dunkin Donuts app, but stay tuned to the end and I'll show you how to earn and use reward points on the app. So the first thing that pops up is 100 reasons to order ahead. Now with this, you can earn 100 bonus points when you order ahead every Monday, but this offer is only good through May. Go ahead and hit order now. So you'll need to first find your store's location. Once you found your store's location, select your pickup method. Okay, so we made it to the home screen. Now at the top, we have your featured items. If you scroll down further, you'll see the different categories here. Because America runs on Dunkin', it's only right that we order donuts. Now the rest is pretty simple. Just scroll through the menu and select the donuts that you want. Now the munchkins, they were just the appetizers, but I want more. So I think I'll just grab a couple of the classic donuts here. You gotta have glazed and jelly as well. And I'll get a strawberry too. All in all, right now before tax, my order is $6.34. Hold up! I did say that if you made it to the end of the video, I'd show you how to use and earn reward points. So look, it's fairly simple to understand. No account means no reward points. It's that simple. Hit join now and go ahead and create an account. Enter in your first name, last name, email address, then create a password. Add your zip code as well. Then hit next. Now for every dollar that you spend, you'll get 10 reward points. And right now, we have 0. But that's okay, because we're about to change that. Scroll down and you'll see your current offers and bonus points. If you want to use them, go ahead and click into your order. If everything looks good, hit place order. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to like, comment, and share.